Okay, so first you create a circle, and from that you will loosely make a spiral around the circle. Okay, so now we try to gain a tighter grip on the wire so they meet. So we create a circle from here, loosely make spirals around 1 or 2 times, or 3 times. Now we tighten our grip, hold and we go around 67 more times. You take the Arnold's pliers and again make a loop at the end of the wire. And now we create indents around the loop in a line pattern. So next, we take our wire yet again and we put it through our pearl bead, take the shorter end of the wire and we will wrap it around. We tuck the end of the wire and just snip off the remainder of the wire. Okay, now we take our spiral wire and now create, again snip off excess wire if it's too long, and then we take our Ramos plier and now create a loop once again. Try to center the bead, and now that's complete. Our spiral dangle now, we will need only to attach our ear hook, and now our earrings will be complete. Okay, I just had to show you sometimes I do make a mistake by placing the ear wire back to front. So here we go again, now doing it correctly. So attach your ear hooks where it will dangle the right way, facing the right way. There we go. Very quick, easy to make. Spiral wire and pearl seed bead. Sorry, spiral wire and pearl beaded dangle earrings. Hope you enjoyed this DIY video. Thumbs it up, like and share. Thank you. Leave any comments below. Thank you. Bye.